dream cooker by OurPlace. I'll show you what's included, cooking functions, recipe demos, how it performs, and why you should purchase. If you cook often, love convenience, and want something that is safe and reliable, this review is packed with everything you need to know. First, we have the cooking base, a locking lid with a 6-quart inner cooking pot, a condensation collector, and a detachable cord. The sealing ring is designed to be removed for cleaning, but always double check that it's fully in place before cooking. It's essential for safe pressure building. The condensation collector at the back keeps the water from dripping into the lid. When it gets full or needs cleaning, simply remove, wash, dry, and pop it back in. The 6-quart inner cooking pot made from toxin-free aluminum is super easy to clean. Use a soft sponge only and not a hard scrubber, and note that it is not dishwasher safe. For those of us who dislike cords dangling on the countertop, the detachable cord is perfect. You can remove it and store it until ready to use again. Choosing your settings is super easy. Choose your cooking mode, adjust the heating time up to 2 hours, and press start. Tell me in the comments which features stood out the most to you. To show you real results, I tested all 4 cooking modes inside the dream cooker. Using the slow cook function, I made a white bean dumpling soup. The flavors developed so well and the dumplings came out tender and delicious. For saute sear mode, I made a vegetable chickpea tomato soup. By sauteing onions and spices to build a rich base with other ingredients, the results were bold and flavorful. For pressure cook, I tested chickpeas, black beans, and baby potatoes. Each cooked evenly and were perfectly tender. Comment below which recipe you would try first in this dream cooker. Keeping your foods warm is super easy. Just select keep warm and begin. This cooking feature makes the dream cooker not only for home, but can also be for catering and events. You can choose a color that matches your event scene, and you can keep your foods warm throughout the entire event. If you already own a pressure cooker, how does it compare to this one? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I personally choose the blue salt color to match my accent wall, and you can actually do the same. Look in your kitchen or living room and choose a color that matches either one. All of my stainless steel appliances stay stored away until ready to use, but this one, it stays right on the counter. What a beauty. Tell me in the comments which color dream cooker is your favorite. Safety and convenience is key, and this pressure cooker has both. It will not allow you to open it up until all steam is completely released, especially when using pressure cook mode. For those who already own a dream cooker, how has your experience been thus far? Let us know in the comments to help others decide. If you need to run an errand or want someone to come home to a hot meal, once you press start, the dream cooker does the work for you. And when the timer ends, it automatically releases the steam and switches to keep warm until you return. For those of us that's concerned about electricity, the dream cooker uses 120 volts, and because it cooks faster, especially when using pressure cook mode, it can save power compared to long stovetop cooking. The dream cooker is also quiet whilst cooking. The steam release is normal and not overly loud. The dream cooker is compact enough to stay on the counter without taking up much space, and when moving it from one place to another, it is not heavy. The lid cleans easily and does not trap odors. To clean the inner area, it may be a little difficult for some to get in, but I use bottle cleaners, or you can use a microfiber cloth and a butter knife. The butter knife has to be directly in the microfiber cloth. You can actually go straight around and it will clean it perfectly. And if you love matching your kitchen pieces, OurPlace.com also offers cookware sets and bakeware in coordinating colors. This dream cooker has exceeded my expectations. I've had it for over a year now and I have 0 complaints. The way it handles any ingredients is a 10 out of 10. This makes an amazing gift for the holidays, birthdays, Mother's or Father's Day, or anyone that you may know of that may enjoy cooking. It would be best to purchase a color that matches their home decor or kitchen. And durability is not an issue. My dream cooker is still going strong after a year. Let me know in the comments if you don't have a dream cooker as yet, if you're thinking about getting one. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and purchase your dream cooker today. Click the links in the description box and comment section to shop. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.